Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today, as I promised to you yesterday, I'm going to Trafalgar Square. So the plan for today is actually to walk from Tottenham Court Road and then Leicester Square, and then finally the final destination, which is Trafalgar Square. For today, I'm gonna meet my friend Morgan and we're gonna go and shop somewhere around Tottenham Court Road. We're gonna go to Primark, and then after that maybe have some coffee, tea or something. Then walk around and show you guys how it looks like. I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. So this is the outfit for today, which is a simple one with my bag. Okay. So let's go. We are going to Primark to see my friend Morgan. So let's get inside. Met her yet, but I already got like 2 pair of skirts that I'm gonna buy. Oh my god, this is like a trap. My gorgeous friend. Hello, you look lovely. Oh, thank you.
Oh, very stylish. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. It's a theatre, isn't it? Yes, infamous Cursed Child. Sorry, 7. Shall we go this side? Yeah, I think this way. One UTL and one Chelsea. Yeah. Sicily. Very nice. It's like a donut. Okay, try it. I'll try.
Well, Morgan's already left, so now I'm heading to Trafalgar Square to look around. Right now I'm at Leicester Square, walking towards Trafalgar Square. So I'm expecting about like, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. Quite near walking distance. Oh no, Jamie Oliver restaurant. Jamie Italian. Oh, wow. That's National Portrait Gallery. Henry Irving, actor, born 1838. We're walking towards Trafalgar Square. We are going to reach there in any minute. Right now the temperature is like 12 Celsius, but it's a bit chilly. That's Trafalgar Square. So basically just like 5 minutes walk from Leicester Square. So during Christmas, usually they will have like a Christmas market. That's National Gallery. And we are here. So you are looking at Trafalgar Square, and yeah, it might seem like just a busy, not really busy really, a tourist spot, but this place is basically is London stage. Right behind me is Nelson Column, built for Horatio Nelson, the guy who defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Trafalgar, but didn't live to see the win. So technically the whole square is a victory story with a tragic ending. And if you can see, there's a two lion. Let me zoom. So, and these giant lions, they are not just for photos, they are guarding one of the Britain's biggest military flexes. But here's the thing, this square isn't just history, it's where London comes alive. Protest, celebration, New Year chaos. If something matters, people show up here. So yeah, it's just not a square. It's where London tells its story, whether it's in past or present, all in one place. King George IV. So I'm at Trafalgar Square, and this is the end for this episode. Can you see at the back? Right. So this is the end of this episode for Trafalgar Square. Thank you so much for being with me, watching my videos. So if you like my videos, let me know by click liking, comment and share. And if you have any recommendation or places that you want to visit in London, just let me know, put a comment below and I'll try to fulfill it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to show you the last footage of today. Trafalgar Square. Thank you so much. Until we meet next time, have a nice weekend. Happy Easter. Bye.